Hello, this is Stacy with WeighPay Solutions. Today we're going to take a look at some reporting pertaining to cash drawer reports, and we'll look at setting up cash drawers. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into your back office at WeighPay.com. You're going to log in. You're going to go to reporting. You're going to scroll down to reports. When you click on reports, you'll get a list over here on the left of your daily report, and then a specific cash drawer report. We have other reports that kind of pertain to your daily activities, but let's focus on just the cash drawer report. So the cash drawer report that we have in the system allows you to choose a date range for the cash drawer that you want to pull back, for the data that you want to pull back. So this is typically done for today's date, but of course you can go back and say, let's go ahead and pull from the 1st through the 6th. And then you can also, in your cash drawer report, select a specific cashier should you want to pull back just a individual's cashier, or you can just use the all and it'll pull back all data for that. And so if I hit the run report button, you're going to notice that I didn't have any data in this data set. So let me just go back and run that cash drawer report, and I'll try to pull a little bit more data in since I haven't opened up a cash drawer this year. So let's go to the 1st of December just to pull some data in. So you're going to notice at the top of your cash drawer summary report, it's going to kind of give you the highlights of, you opened the cash drawer, you added money to the cash drawer. This was total money that came in. This is petty cash that went out, any money that was paid out through tickets, cash income, or how much was left in your drawer. So this will let you kind of balance your daily cash drawer. And then of course you can put notes in as you add money or take money from it, and then we can go to the next page of the report and it'll get into the specifics of pluses and minuses, greens and reds, and it'll show you then the description of what happened. There was money that was income came in, some was added, some was paid out, a check was paid. So it kind of gives you your total cash drawer, and we did include the checks, even though that doesn't affect your balance of this report, of the cash report, but at least it tells you kind of a transaction for the day, along with the time of what happened and the ticket number that's associated with either the in or the out of your cash. So that's pretty much the long and short of the cash drawer. Now we do offer the ability to go into your cash drawer page from tickets. You're able to go into specific cash drawers, which you can click on the view button here. You can see that there's no data for this like we found in that report, and so I can come back here and run one for here, and I can reload this, and we basically get the same report, but we get it on screen as opposed to a printed report. What this allows us to do is see real time our cash drawer balances, but it also allows us to utilize the back office to insert money if I had a cash drawer that was open. So let's go over to here. I'll just go into my mobile application, and let me get logged in real quick. And from the mobile application, I'll go to cash drawer. Now inside of this cash drawer, we can count our money in, specifically bill by bill, by hitting the count, and then you can put in how many ones, how many twos, how many fives, how many tens, etc. And you can use that amount. You can also print this off, so you'll have a copy of your actual bills in and bills out. So that can be a helpful tool for tracking your counting in and your counting out. A lot of us just simply will put in, if we're going to start the day with a $500 cash drawer, we type in 500 and we hit the open button and we choose the cash drawer. Typically cash drawer 1 is chosen. Once that cash drawer is open, we're able to go back to here. Let's go back. You're going to notice now that we have an open drawer for $500. I can hit the view button here. I could add a note. I could add or take money from the back office should I need to manage this from the back office instead of from the mobile application. So that'll give you an indication that you do have some controls in the back end to add or take money should you need to utilize that in a browser-based application, as opposed to managing the ability to go to the cash drawer here and say, well, I'm going to add 200 more. I'm going to hit the add button. From safe, I'll just make a nice little note of where it's coming or where it's going. And now we have a $700 cash drawer, and so we can refresh this screen And then you'll notice now we have a $700 balance for this cash drawer. And then you'll notice that how much was in, how much was taken in the notes. So that pretty much gives you your cash drawer balance. And of course you can go into your Pro application, should you be using Pro, and you can simply go in and do the same thing. And then you'll notice here that we've started with 500, added 200, we have this what's left. And then we can utilize our cash drawer in Pro if that's what we're doing as well. So hopefully this small video has helped you understand how to use your cash drawer and how to get your cash drawer totals pulled up via a report. And remember WeighPay. So advanced, it's simple.